Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Cocaine Trafficking Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with cocaine trafficking in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your cocaine trafficking charge. Contact one of our Missouri cocaine trafficking defense lawyers today at 314-900. Help to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all cocaine trafficking defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our cocaine trafficking defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Cocaine Trafficking Lawyer in Missouri. If you or someone you know has been arrested and charged with cocaine trafficking in St. Louis or elsewhere in Missouri, it is crucial to contact a reputable cocaine trafficking lawyer right away. Combs Waterkotte has the knowledge and experience necessary to defend you against cocaine trafficking charges and minimize the impact they have on your life. Cocaine trafficking charges in St. Louis and across Missouri. Know the facts. Cocaine trafficking charges in Missouri carry severe consequences, including lengthy prison sentences, hefty fines, and a permanent criminal record, not to mention an unwavering social stigma. Facing these charges requires an expert cocaine trafficking defense attorney by your side, protecting your rights and your future. Don't risk anything by going at this alone. Call a Combs Waterkotte cocaine trafficking lawyer today at 314-900-HELP or reach out online for a free, confidential consultation. What is considered cocaine trafficking in Missouri? Cocaine is a Schedule II controlled substance. Under Missouri law, cocaine trafficking is more substantial than mere possession due mainly to the quantity. Trafficking is broken into 2 degrees, defined in the following. An individual commits cocaine trafficking in the 2nd degree if they knowingly possess or control, purchase or attempt to purchase, or bring into the state more than 35 grams of a mixture or any substance containing cocaine. 1st-degree cocaine trafficking occurs when an individual knowingly distributes, delivers, manufactures, produces, or attempts to distribute, deliver, manufacture, or produce more than 150 grams of a mixture or any substance containing cocaine. What are the penalties for cocaine trafficking in St. Louis and across Missouri? For 2nd-degree trafficking charges, you could face Class C felony, normally for first-time offenses, punishable by up to 7 years in prison. Class B felony, for second or subsequent offenses, with prison terms ranging from 5 to 15 years. The penalties for 1st-degree cocaine trafficking charges are typically dependent upon the quantity. Class B felony involves lesser quantities and carries a prison sentence ranging from 5 to 15 years. Class A felony involves larger quantities with penalties ranging from 10 to 30 years or even life imprisonment. No matter the severity of your cocaine trafficking charges in St. Louis or anywhere else in Missouri, you need the expertise of a skilled criminal defense attorney in your corner in order to get the best possible outcome. Factors that can increase cocaine trafficking penalties in Missouri. Any cocaine trafficking charges can lead to harsher penalties if specific aggravating factors are present, including using or possessing firearms during the offense, providing cocaine to a pregnant individual, distributing cocaine to individuals under 21, causing serious bodily harm or death to another individual. Trafficking cocaine while on parole for another crime. Trafficking cocaine near a school or where children are present. Involving a minor under the age of 18 in trafficking cocaine. Why hire a Combs Waterkotte Street Louis cocaine? Trafficking defense attorney. The Combs Waterkotte legal team has more than 40 years of experience and has successfully handled over 10,000 cases just like yours in St. Louis and across Missouri. A few things that separate our cocaine trafficking lawyers from others in the area: extensive expertise in state, federal cocaine trafficking laws. Missouri's drug trafficking laws are complex, with penalties escalating based on the amount of cocaine involved. Our expert drug trafficking defense attorneys understand these intricacies, including evidentiary standards, opportunities to challenge your charges, and sentencing guidelines. Their knowledge could be the difference between dismissal and a conviction. Personalized defense strategies in St. Louis throughout Missouri. No two cases are alike, and some cookie-cutter defense just won't work. The Combs Waterkotte attorneys are dedicated to defending your cocaine trafficking charges and prioritize understanding your unique situation. Our experienced lawyers tailor their defense strategies to the specifics of your case, whether or not it goes to trial. Take the time to listen to your concerns and gather your account of events. Maintain open and honest communication to make sure you are informed and comfortable at every stage of the process. Comprehensive resources for our own investigations. Effective drug trafficking defense often hinges on thorough and meticulous case prep. At Combs Waterkotte, we have access to a network of expert witnesses to challenge forensic evidence, including drug purity or weight analysis, private investigators to call on for reviewing law enforcement procedures, and even advanced legal tools to analyze potential constitutional violations like illegal searches or seizures or entrapment. How a Combs Waterkotte Street Louis, Missouri cocaine trafficking lawyer can help you. Cocaine trafficking charges in Missouri are life-changing. The right lawyer can protect your future. Combs Waterkotte provides aggressive defense and personal attention to help you secure the best possible outcome. Why you should hire Combs Waterkotte for your cocaine trafficking charges in St. Louis, Missouri. Aggressive defense, fighting to reduce or dismiss charges. Drug case expertise, proven success in high-stakes cases. Challenging evidence, skilled at exposing illegal searches. Smart negotiation, targeting reduced charges or penalties. Protecting your future. Focused on keeping your record clean. Deep legal knowledge. Mastery of state and federal drug laws. Strong courtroom advocacy. Fearless in litigation. Personalized defense. Strategies tailored to your case. Key defense strategies for St. Louis, Missouri cocaine trafficking charges. A skilled Combs Waterkotte cocaine trafficking defense attorney might draw from experience in building a custom defense strategy, including violation of Miranda rights. If your Miranda rights were violated at any point during your arrest or interrogation, any statements or evidence obtained by law enforcement and the prosecution may be deemed inadmissible. Challenging evidence. Our legal team can question the legality of searches, the handling of evidence, or the protocols or methods used by law enforcement. Chain of custody issues. We can highlight gaps or inconsistencies in how evidence was handled from the initial seizure to court presentation. Proving lack of intent. Your lawyer can argue that you had no knowledge of the cocaine's presence or no intent to distribute. The client-centered difference at Combs Waterkotte. Facing a cocaine trafficking charge in St. Louis or anywhere in Missouri is daunting, but a client-focused attorney can provide a clear-cut path forward. With compassion, confidentiality, and a dedication to achieving the best possible outcome, the entire Combs-Waterkotte legal team stands by your side every step of the way. We know that you didn't wake up this morning trying to find the best way to commit a felony. Nobody wants that. We understand that good people find themselves in bad situations. We're here to help. Hire Combs, Waterkotte Street. Lewis, Missouri Cocaine Trafficking Defense Team. Call today to schedule a consultation. If you or a loved one is facing cocaine trafficking charges in St. Louis or elsewhere in Missouri, don't hesitate to reach out for expert legal representation. Contact a trusted, experienced criminal defense attorney right away for a confidential case review. By choosing a law firm that values expertise, resources, and personalized attention like Combs-Waterkotte, you can face these serious charges with confidence and clarity. Call a cocaine trafficking defense attorney now at 314-900-HELP or fill out our online form for a free consultation.